Hello everyone. Today I have brought a very basic question. Very basic. We have done this question during our school days, but I am sure only few of you can answer this question. Only few of you can answer this question. But condition: do not use Google or AI because they are not going to help you while writing your CAT exam or any other competitive exam. Okay? So think and answer the question best to the best of your knowledge. Don't take the help of Google or AI, and check, are you in those few, those who can get the correct answer? So the question here is, which is the next leap year after 1796? जो भी आपका आंसर है, to the best of your knowledge, type in the comment box. Okay? And before I leave, just want to make an announcement. Tomorrow around 1 p.m. 2 p.m. Right? Tomorrow around 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. I'll be releasing a LR practice set from the topic Venn diagram. Okay? So yes, once the video is released, you can try the set by yourself and then you can cross check with the solution that I'll also be providing. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Chalo, take care. Enjoy the question.